Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in some rollers. This is a bit of an experimentation, but hopefully this turns out well. So I have a giant bag of FLEXIRODs, but obviously I'm not gonna need all of them. I'm just gonna need a certain size. So the vision is flipped 60s hair. So I'm gonna use the largest size FLEXIRODs that I have. Let's see how this goes. Also, I got a new mic, so if you can hear the difference in the quality, let me know. It should be crisper and clearer. All right. I washed my hair yesterday, but I had to re-wet it today because I didn't want to go in and spray with my spray bottle. I'm just putting some oil, OGX argan oil. Love that stuff, it smells so good. Just quickly putting that throughout. I'm gonna do the middle part. My hair is getting so long, it's crazy. All right, so I'm using medium sections and I'm just gonna put it at the end. Hold on. Tuck the hair over and roll up a little bit, a little more. And then I'm just gonna tie it off. Okay, this is gonna be trial and error. There, that's more like it. I'm just gonna do that throughout my entire head. I kind of wish I had even bigger rollers. Okay, so you guys get the idea. I'm just gonna do this throughout my entire head. As much as I love having 570 plus locks, putting in curls can be a little bit daunting. Just the idea of having to curl so many locks, but I love the end result. I love curling my hair. It's something that I've always enjoyed, so I prefer curling my hair different ways to styling my hair. But yeah, I need to get more into styling for sure. But I think as my hair gets longer, I'll want to style it more, but at the same time, I probably won't. But curling my hair, I will always love doing that. But I do need to try some styles though, for real. Okay, so another thing I want to mention is that I'm gathering hair like row by row so that they're wider and flatter. Can you see what I'm saying? So instead of grabbing like chunks of hair that are like going down this way, I'm grabbing across so that the hair is flat. I'm trying to mimic how hair was curled in that time period. So that's why I'm grabbing across and laying it flat along the FLEXIRODs. Wish me luck because I have to sleep in these. Oh, and I also took a section of hair right here and pulled it across because I'm not going to be curling this piece. This piece is going to be part of the style, tucked away like that. Do you see the vibe of that? So it's going to be like flat across my forehead. Okay, so as you can see, it's the next day. I decided to really get into character and do a little makeup from the Inspired by the 60s. So let's see how this turned out. That's really the question right now. This might end up being more 70s and 60s because of the layers in my hair. Okay, so they're all out. Now I'm going to take this piece that I put aside. I'm going to grab some hairpins, some bobby pins. And I'm just going to put it across my forehead, behind my ear, and pin it right above my ear. Gonna add one more. So now I'm just gonna kind of work the curls. I'm gonna post some inspo pics for this look, and then I'm gonna kind of let this piece curl in front. And I'm gonna let this piece kind of curl in front as well. That is the finished look. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Is this giving 60s to you? I think if you look back on like old photos, it's 60s, but not typical 60s. This was fun to do. I really do like these curls. They're fun, they're different. That's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.